News with Reg Hampton.
It's not very often a judge tells someone that they had no choice but to break the law. But that's what happened today in a case involving True Hope Nutritional Support. The Alberta company makes a supplement to help people with mental disorders. It was selling its product without a drug identification number. But as Namjba Jakwan reports, the judge found them not guilty by reason of necessity.
There was relief and a feeling of vindication as company founders and supporters left the courthouse.
It shouldn't be that hard to do something good in this country, and we finally feel a little bit vindicated today over that.
In this case, regulatory enforcement cost people their lives. In this case, it caused much human suffering to those 3,000 families that required this for their lives.
True Hope Nutritional Support was charged with selling pills it created to treat bipolar disorder and depression without a drug identification number or DIN. In his decision, the judge called the case complex and unique. He said while the company was in breach of DIN regulations, it had no reasonable alternative but to disobey Health Canada's order to stop selling the product. Judge Gerald Mayer said the harm avoided was clearly and unquestionably greater than the harm inflicted. The judge said the defendants could have faced criminal prosecution if they hadn't continued to provide the supplement, and claiming they needed a drug identification number would not have been a defense.
It showed that we couldn't stop this, because if we would have stopped, our children would be institutionalized or suicided. Instead, they're living normal lives.
It's just been such a gift to be able to go from a place where there is no hope to being able to function normally.
In 2004, the company did receive special permission from the health minister to distribute the supplement, and regulations have changed, so True Hope now has a natural health product number from Health Canada. But the owners now want an inquiry into this whole incident. Najma Yaksan, CTV News, Calgary.
Health Canada is waiting for legal advice before deciding on an appeal.